Hey guys, it's Tara, and today in this short, I'm going to show you how to get sample data into your Dynamics customer service environment. So here we go, let's get started. In this short, I'm going to show you simply how to get sample data that Microsoft provides onto your system or within your environment so that you can begin building in Power Apps or Dynamics or wherever it is that you're working for the day. So the first thing I'm going to do is starting out on the home page. I will go over to environments and select it. And from there, I'm going to find the environment that I want to work with. And I am going to search up one that I typically use. And we're going to open up the video content dynamics environment. And by clicking on it. So once we click on it, we can see all of the information provided as far as the details, the version, updates, and all we really need to do to get that sample data, really briefly, click on Settings. And that takes you to this cascading menu. And we'll go to Data Management, select that arrow to open up the options, and click Sample Data. I mean, again, this is very simple, but it's also one of those things that sometimes people are just simply unaware of because there's so many things that are part of the solution or part of the app and Power Platform and so forth. So it looks like I'm having some lag time. So what I'm going to do is refresh my browser. Oh, there it goes. And it tells me automatically that sample data is not on this system, so I know that I am good to install. So I'll go ahead and click Install Sample Data. And for whatever reason, there seems to be a bit of a delay from once you click on Install Sample Data to the notification that pops up over here. It says that it's being processed in the background, and you can continue to use Dynamics 365. So that was it, guys. It's very simple how to get sample data into your Dynamics 365 environment.